about this beautiful salad right here. And let's see what I have in here. I have a roasted red pepper spread, maybe about 1 tablespoon because it's, you know, has a little oil. Organic mushrooms, some organic carrot shreds that I shredded myself, some coconut nectar, I drizzled it a little, balsamic vinegar glaze, and I also have some tomatoes in here, organic, about like 6 cut up. I also sprinkled in some reduced fat coconut shreds, and I put a little Italian seasoning mix, salt free, and let's give it a taste. Bit of mushroom, ready. Delicious.